So here's a situation where the built-in gutter, which was just this very short piece right here, broke or rusted, you can see right there, and the downspout came right off, and then it basically took out this complete area, including some really cool design. So we'll have to take this back to the shop, and we're going to try to reproduce this and probably use the pieces that we can from it. Well, right now we got to figure out what to do here. We've already, with aluminum, we've taken care of the water issue. At some point we'll go up and redo that, but there is no more water coming down through here anymore, at least down into here. So we have to, you can see how these are really weathered. So we have to cut back, get into some good wood. We got moldings here we have to deal with. Luckily these two feel good. We have this molding here that's in good shape, but very loose. You can see it moving. So I have to study this right now and figure out where I'm putting supports in. We can see the main rafter here disintegrated, the tail of it. So we have to probably put two pieces on each side to bring it down through. Take off any rot, although it appears that most of the rot is taken off, if not all of it. And that's because of birds coming in and out. They pretty much have cleaned it off. So now I need to study it and figure out what needs to come off and where I start building.